What is going on, everyone? In today's video we are going to show you how to download Manor Lords. So basically type in Google Manor Lords and the video game will appear on the top screen, and now you will see the link to Steam. What you can do is simply go to the Steam link Manor Lords and click on it. After you have clicked on it, you can view the videos about the game and check if this game is something for you. If you like the game, simply scroll down and ask for some early access. Because this video game is not available yet, you can get instant access and start playing, or you simply can click on add to cart, and once you have added it to cart, click on view my cart and then sign in to purchase. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know which video game you want to see next. See you guys, bye bye.